Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Ariya. In this video I'll show you where is the fuse box in engine compartment. To find engine compartment fuse box in your car, take a look at the left side of engine compartment. The fuse box is located right here. To access it, you have to unlock two locks and pull it from the top. The second fuse box is located here on the top of the battery. It's not easy with one hand. Nevertheless, the fuse box is located here. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.